Welcome everyone. In this task, you are asked to create a class named PrintExecution that prints the following outputs in the console. So you need to print the same exact outputs on the console. So first it is going to be CYDEO, and then next you need to print an empty line. And then after the empty line, you will have 4 lines of print statements. They will be Yulia, Alina, Lucy, Alexander, Igor, Sumaya, and Medina, right? So you have to print them in the same exact order. CYDEO first, then space, then 4 student names, then another empty space, and then it's going to be 3 more classmates' names. Okay, so make sure that you created this class under the package day01 practice tasks, which is under the project Java self-practice. And to make this class runnable, again, you still need to declare a main method. Okay, and then inside the main method's body, you can give your print statements. So first, I would like to print CYDEO. So after CYDEO is printed, next thing that you want to do is give an empty line, right? So instead of using another print statement just for an empty line, I could also include this skip sequence. That way, it will add an empty line. So after the skip sequence is given, if I give another print statement, that means whatever the message that I give in this print statement, it will be printed right starting from right here. So here, I can give this print statement which prints the name Yulia. So now if I run the program, you see Yulia is printed after this empty line. And I can go ahead print the remaining names, such as Alina. And if I run it, you see it printed Alina. And sometimes when you use the shortcut, if you hit the enter key multiple times accidentally, then of course it's going to break the line into multiple different lines. So make sure you always give the shortcut to reformat your code to take out some additional lines. And yes, make sure that if it's one statement, that one message that you needed to print, just make sure that it's given within one line. And after Alina is printed, the next I need to display the name of Lucy. So here I can give Lucy. So let's run it. Okay, those 3 students' names are printed. I also have one more student name to print here before giving another empty line. So in this print statement, I can print the name Alexander. Okay, now let's run it. So we are getting closer to what we expected, right? CYDEO is printed, Yulia is printed, Alina, Lucy, Alexander is printed. After Alexander is printed, then we need to append a new line. After that, then we can print 3 more student names. So since I need to append a new line, here I could also do the same and give this skip sequence. That way, next time when I give my print statement, it will be printed after the new line. So here, for example, let me give the name Igor. And if I run the program, you see this Igor is printed after this empty line, right? And next, after Igor, we need to print Sumaya. Sumaya is printed right after the name Igor. And then lastly, we need to print the name Medina. And if I run the program, see, Medina is printed right after Sumaya. So this is the solution to this task number 2.